And what is going on, J-Love family, and welcome to another video up on J-Love Productions. Now, today's gonna be a more different video. I've never done this before long on my channel. It is actually going to be an unboxing video by UBeesize tripods. I am very much looking forward to this. It is a very convenient tripod with multi-purpose qualities and features. I just opened the box, but I haven't actually opened anything inside of it. So I'm very much looking forward to putting this to use. I had taken this out earlier. It comes with, like, I guess you'd say like a remote. You know, it's like if you have iOS, Android, anything like that, just to push up a button and it starts recording for you or taking a picture. Like I said, it's multi-purpose, so it is going to be used as a tripod, but it can also be used as a selfie stick as well too. I make sure to use this for when I need like a backup camera or anything such as that. Or if I don't want to use this camera and I need something a little more portable, something I can take around with me, I go for the UBeesize tripod. I have actually used their materials before, basically from borrowing my brother's equipment and his tripods. A link to his channel will be in the description as well too. But so far, let's start with the opening. Alright guys, I honestly have to show you guys. This is really awesome because this is what you're going to be using in order to secure your phone. So look at this little piece right here, and the way that you extend it out, you could actually give it a little pull and then you could push it outwards like this and it'll hold your phone, which is pretty awesome. You know, I'm actually really looking forward to be able to use this. I'm going to show you guys up close here. So yeah, like I said, it's just going to take a little pull. This little part right over here is going to be what you're going to be using to hold your phone, just to be able to keep it in place. Whether you want to use it as both a selfie stick or a tripod or anything like that, this will really help you get the angles as you're able to adjust the tripod itself, and actually just be able to use this. That way you're able to like stay around, and it's going to be really secure too, just so the fact that your phone will have to like fall out or anything like that. Because I've dealt with tripods like that before, where if I made like one sudden quick movement, my tripod will fall out. I mean, my phone would fall out like instantly, and I've actually cracked the phone just for that simple reason. Whereas this is incredibly secure. It is really tight too, meaning that my phone is completely safe, and that more so, yeah. Just look at this. Plus, it's kind of fun. I'm not gonna lie about that either. Okay. Anyway, back to the time lapse. Okay, so I can twist it on, and then there's actually like a little thing that I could just flip here, and it'll tighten it on just so I don't have to worry about this part actually coming off of the tripod. So then, we are all set. Look, I'm free to put my phone right in here, and just look. I am actually able to make it shorter, extend it out just so like I could actually place the legs out, and have it placed firmly on the ground too if I so choose. And then, here's for the interesting part. This thing actually extends like crazy too. And yes, it just keeps on going. Seriously, you guys, look at this. Look at this, okay? It keeps on going. Quite honestly, this thing is almost the same size as me. This goes back into place like nothing too. All I gotta do is basically just tighten it up back in its position, and then I am good to go. See, while most tripods actually rely on you to have to like twist, this you can basically just unlock it, lock it back in, and you are good. So it's time to put it in action. Now, before I do that, I actually want to go into higher detail on the actual remote itself. Like it says, both iOS as well as Android. All I gotta do is flip a little like switch up on the left side here, and then you're gonna see this blue light start blinking. As soon as I do this, I am actually able to sync up my phone via Bluetooth, And then from there, all I gotta do is push a single button and then it'll instantly start recording, which is amazing for me. See, it says UBeesize right over here. All I gotta do is push this simple button and then I will be connected. I got the camera app open, and next up, I'm just gonna put it on front camera just so I'm able to see my face as I record. I just feel as though that makes things better. All I gotta do is lift up the top part and then insert it. Alright, and hope you guys are ready. Alright, now this is recording right over here. Honestly, like if I want to do multiple camera angles, all I gotta do is set up my UBeesize tripod. Like I said too, this is multi-purpose, so I can use this as both a selfie stick as well as that actual tripod itself, as you guys are seeing right over here. All it takes is the push of a button, connecting via Bluetooth too, and this is super portable too, so all I gotta do is put this in a bag or I can carry it around, and then I am perfect for a video. So I am imagining that I'm going to be using this for almost every video that I end up recording from this point on. Special thanks to UBeesize for personally just notifying me about this tripod as well too, because quite honestly this is going to be very, very useful. Now you can actually get it on Amazon and it is really only 20 bucks. Doing this is a solid investment. Plus, you can see everything else that UBeesize has to offer through Amazon by simply searching down UBeesize up on Amazon as well too, and just seeing every tripod, every phone accessory, every single recording like accessory that they have to be able to fully put your YouTube lifestyle or your recording lifestyle or anything to its max potential. So once again, thank you UBeesize, thank you audience, and once again, the link to everything is going to be down in the description box down below, so please make sure to check it out for yourself. Leave a review on UBeesize themselves because they leave some amazing work. And I'm actually going to be leaving a review myself. You're actually going to be able to see my comments down below. And if you have any questions on UBeesize, please feel free to ask me, because I'm going to be investing in so much more of their equipment. So thank you guys very much. Have an amazing day. And share out this video to as many people as you can, quite honestly, because we gotta spread the love. We honestly do. And spread the word on UBeesize itself. So love you guys. Have an amazing day. Peace out.